Tea is not only a beverage, it's an experience for millions around the world. The phrase, "my cup of tea," is associated with many aspects of life. Whether it is morning time or sunset hours, the experience gets better only with tea. The term has also deeper connection with like and dislike. It has a special place in every family. It has been associated with family members' lifestyle and comfort. This special beverage has widespread consumption, making it second most popular drink after water. Researchers believe that it came from China as a medicinal drink and gradually reached every corner of the world. Tea-loving nations have developed a number of recipes around tea based on their need and consumption behavior. Some countries consider tea as a daily habit, while some others have it to comfort the body and mind. If you are a fan of this beverage, you must try some healthy recipes at home. These recipes are either related to hot beverage or cold beverage. In addition to a cup of tea, a glass of this beverage is also very common when the mood says to have something out of the box. Whatever may the type, it should be healthy and match our need. Let's have a look at some of the popular and easy recipes for everyone. Lemon tea. Lemon is a good source of vitamin C and it prevents many diseases like kidney stones, anemia, indigestion, etc. So, you should consider having lemon in various forms as a part of your routine diet. If you are preparing black-green tea, just squeeze half of a small lemon and you are done. Enjoy! Cardamom. Flavored cardamom has cancer-fighting compounds along with antioxidants and properties that help digestive problems. One exciting thing about this spice is its fragrance. Brew 1 or 2 cardamom with black tea or add milk, sugar, etc. according to your taste. It will give you awesome taste and feeling of having a natural flavor. Spicy taste. Adding spice can bring very powerful taste and gives refreshing feeling right from the first sip. This recipe may include spices like star anise, honey, milk, cardamom, maple syrup, cinnamon, cloves, etc. Boil together with tea powder and enjoy. Mixed with jaggery. Jaggery prevents constipation and cleans the liver. It has antioxidant properties and minerals like zinc and selenium. If you are preparing spiced tea, add palm jaggery to sip on a perfect cup. Being a traditional sweetener, it can also be added with milk and milk powder. Adding basil. Basil has a lot of medicinal properties and it is regarded as a holy plant among Hindus. It can sharpen memory, it can combat cold, flu, and infections, treats insect bite, asthma and stress. So having this with a sip will give you a lot of benefits. Having antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, it acts as a one-stop solution for all the members of a family. Preparing basil tea is very easy. Add 10 to 12 middle-sized leaves during boiling and your drink is ready. All the ingredients mentioned here are generally available in any kitchen. If you are excited about trying these recipes, go and prepare. Family members will definitely like your culinary skills.